Hey everybody, let's make a undated 1 month planner journal type thing. And it's just blank. It has the cover page, it has a layout for a monthly, and then I have 6 blank weekly pages, and then blank daily pages, 31 daily pages, and then the back cover. And the reason why is because people like to use their own um, design. It's more like a scrapbooking bullet journal type thing sometimes. And here is an example of how um, somebody might use all kinds of stickers and everything to make it their own. So let me just show you how we're going to link this style of planner. So I have a home button here, I have my 6 weeks, and then my 31 days. So it's really, really simple. I have already exported this as a PDF and then compressed it with small PDF. So I am first going to use Baby-Linkr to create my CSVs to then use in Linkr to link it. So for the weeklies, I want a month that has 6 weeks. So September happens to have the 6 weeks that I want. And if it doesn't, I'll just add it. It's no big deal. So my start page for my weeklies is on page 3. And then I have this as... Okay, now let's open that up and take a look and see how many weekly dates that I have with that. Because if I don't have the 6, that's okay because I can just add it here. No big deal. So I'm just going to save that. You could make it yourself, but it's just a lot faster to do it that way. So then let's make our dailies to link our 1 through 31 here. So I'm going to say January. And then my daily pages then, this is my weekly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my daily pages are going to start on page 9. So I want to tell Baby-Linkr to start my daily pages on page 9. Make sure I have daily toggled there. Go down and save that to my daily. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to use Linkr to link that all up. So I'm going to go to load up my compressed PDF, and then I'm going to load the PDF in the viewer because I want to select this area for my weeklies. Use that selected area, and then I'm going to select my weekly CSV that we created, and I'm going to add it to all pages. So I'm just going to process the page links, and it's going to go through and add all of those. Perfect. And now I'm going to remove that PDF because I want to now do my daily. So I'm going to add that updated PDF. I'm going to load it in the viewer. I'm going to select this area now. Use that selected area. And now I'm going to use my daily CSV that created for me, and I'm going to process the page links. Okay, so now that's finished. So now what I want to do is I want to add a custom link here because I want to make sure that my little home icon goes to page 2. I'm just going to have it go to the calendar page. So I'm going to start on page 2 and I'm going to end on page 39. I want the destination page to be page 2. So I'm going to view the PDF and I'm just going to select my little home icon and process that PDF, and it is finished. So now when I go back to my folder, now my home button goes back to my home button. All of my weekly links are there, and all of my daily links are there. So now my user can decorate their calendar. They can use it over and over and over again, and they can decorate it with all their little stickers and widgets and everything, and just design it to their heart's content. So that's how I would create an undated, reusable monthly planner journal.